How does iTheorie work? On iTheorie, you sign in with your access code by clicking the button Login at the top of the page. You received this code from your driving school or you bought it online. Note, this code consists only of numbers and the letters A, B, C, D, E, and F and is 16 characters long. You can choose the option to remember your code. You are now in the learning environment. On this page, you can see where you left off. At the top of the screen, you can find the most important button. This button always opens the section where you left off. Your course begins with studying the theory. In the section Learning the Theory, you can find all the topics you need to know for the theory exam. In this overview, you can see exactly which sections you have already done and which you have not. You can only continue to the next section if you have successfully completed the previous section. Besides that, you can also make use of theory lessons via a live stream. In this live stream, a competent teacher will teach, and there is also the possibility to ask questions. You can only follow a theory lesson if you booked a lesson beforehand. You may only follow every theory lesson once. The theory lessons are taught almost every day. After you have studied all the theory, you will practice theory exams. You can practice with no less than 50 theory exams. The practice exams work in the exact same way as at the CBR. This way, you will get as much time as at the CBR, and you may make the same number of mistakes. After every practice exam, you can check every question extensively. If you have made too many mistakes in a theory exam, you must first go back to studying the theory of the subject in which you had made too many mistakes. Do you pass for the subject again? Then you can do the next theory exam. iTheorie automatically indicates when you are ready for the real theory exam. If you follow the study program from iTheorie, then it could hardly be otherwise than to pass in one go. But of course, things can always be against us. Even then, iTheorie will help you. You can then activate the free refresher course. With that, you can do all the practice exams again.